Student, this is a test of the coincidence of collimator axis, light beam axis and crosshair. Now I'll play this video for you. So you can see I took a graph paper and taped that graph paper on the table, and gantry is on a vertical position, like on a 0 degree. So gantry will be on a 0 degree, and I turn on the light field to make a obtain like 10 by 10 field size. This is 10 by 10 field size. Then after that I mark the edges and tape the graph paper so that it will not move during the entire procedure. So I mark these corners, edges like that, and I mark the intersection of these diagonals and mark the cross here also. This is called cross here. Okay, this is the position of the crosshair image. Now what I have done, I'll play the video and show you. So I rotate the collimator through 180 degree with the gap of 40 degree, and I put the point every 40 degree. I put the point in the center of the intersection of these three. So as you can see, I am putting point. So next video is, so as you can see, I am putting point on every 40 degree and 90 degree to 70 degree. So again I put one point. Again one point. From every 40 degree angle I am putting one point. And to check the coincidence of light field edges, intersection of diagonals and position of the crosshair images. Now checking from the other side or by this 270 degree angle. So from that side also we have to rotate the collimator from both of the side, like through 360 degree. So now you can see I am putting again one point. Again 40 degree rotation. So if any significant misalignment will exist during this procedure, like this gantry rotation, like I pointed on this point, I pointed on this point, one point. So again 40 degree it rotates, then I point on this, point on this, point on this. So this is the area. So I will mark the area, outline the area. Like this is the thing, I outline the areas. The permissible limit is plus minus 2 mm. So it should not exceed the permissible limit. Like I mark the edge corners here, but during the rotation the edge corners will go here and my point is there, here. Then this is a misalignment. Then what we have to do, the field light and crosshair should be adjusted to bring out the desired matching. So this was our first test of the Liniac accelerator, that is collimator axis, light beam axis and crosshair coincidence.